This Fiverr affiliate trick can help you send people to high converting gigs instead of just random pages, okay? But for starters, why Fiverr? Why become a Fiverr affiliate? What's so cool about this program? Well, there's a lot of reasons. I'm very excited about Fiverr. One benefit of Fiverr is they will really take anybody. Yeah, they're not very strict. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is there's lots of companies that have some type of refer program, affiliate program that you could partner with. However, some places are very strict. I don't know why. It's their house. They can make whatever rules they want. I'll give you a couple examples. Like Amazon, they have a program with their Audible where you give away a free audiobook and you make like $10, $15 or something like that with a free trial. But the problem is they're so picky on who they choose. You need like a YouTube channel and every one of your last video has to have 1,000 views. And so there's a way to game that system if you really wanted to by just paid traffic to it. But that's the point. I'm getting off on a tangent here. But Fiverr will take anyone. It just sucks getting rejected by these companies, especially if you're new. Also, the truth is, and you could disagree with me on this, but some people, they just don't want to work. They just want things handed to them. Actually, a lot of people want that. They want to be spoon-fed. So Fiverr makes an amazing upsell. And I'll give you an example of this. If you're selling some type of software, then you can connect, say like, well, here's the software, but if you don't want to do it, here's somebody that will do it all for you. Bam, a Fiverr person. And to give you a story on this, I used to partner with a marketer, and that's what we did. It was like with copywriting, where we would sell like these training materials, but the great upsell was like, but hey, if you don't want to do it yourself, we could do it for you for extra money, right? And that's how we would make more money. So it's a wonderful upsell. Another really cool thing is Fiverr's into every niche you can think about. So whatever you're into, there's a good chance Fiverr's into it. And they're in 160 countries. Their algorithm is really good, so it analyzes the buying behavior and shows them freelancers that will close the deal. Okay, and yeah, you could make a lot of money. Oh, plus it offers them someone a way to pay in stages, so they can help close the deal. And again, with a pro, you get 70% of the money plus 10% whatever someone earns for a year. So yeah, if a reader hires a pro developer for $700, you earn $490 plus 10% on whatever that person spends for a year. So that's really, really cool. Okay, and in this post here, I kind of explain exactly how to get approved for a Fiverr, what you should answer when you apply to become a Fiverr affiliate. Some good things here. But let's talk about the deep linking and why you want to do that. Well, one thing is the Fiverr Pro, they pay 70%, while normal freelancers, they pay 25%. Why do they pay? I don't know. Fiverr makes the rules, but I'm just saying it's probably better to link to a pro Fiverr person because you make 70%. And you can kind of target it more rather than just throw people at the random page. It could be more helpful if that makes sense. So that's how to do that. So what you want to do is when you join Fiverr, you're an affiliate. If you come up here to this dashboard, marketing tools, default and deep links, right? That's what you want, is this deep link. And you could link to any single page that you want on Fiverr. If you want one person, right, like this person here, right, you can link to it and promote him. And that's a pro. And a little tip too, to find pros is this little button right here. These are all pros, which is 70% commissions, normal freelancers 25% commissions. So you can link to either a list like here of pros, or if you want to do just one person, right, you can link to that as well. And so what you would do is say, I want to link to this page here, is you would go up to the website and you would copy it, and then you would throw it in here. And when you do that, it updates all these as well. And you take this, and this is how you get credit for it. Okay. Now, there's a little trick to Fiverr as well, which I want to share with you, is they have two different ways to get paid. All right. They have the old plan, which is the CPA, and they have the new plan, which is the 70%. and then you get 10%. Now you might be thinking, well, that 70% is going to be better, but sometimes the old way is better, and I'll go over why and how you can make the most money. See, I kind of go over here, right? Is if you're promoting a Fiverr Pro freelancer, it depends on the price. So if the old plan is a fixed 150 bucks, so if you're promoting someone and they charge 200 bucks, right? Then you want the old plan because then you get paid $150. Now, if you're linking to pros that are charging, $500 more, then you want to go with the new plan because you'll make more money. I hope that makes sense, right? So that's kind of how I looked at it. Is like if you're linking to somebody and if it's over 500 bucks, go with the pro. Go with the the new plan. And if it's under, right? Say if it's like under 200 bucks, then you want to go with the old plan because you'll make more money. Okay, that's how it makes sense. All right. So if you got something so far from this video, then please consider hitting the like button and subscribe button because it helps me. Okay. Now you might be thinking, well, that's great. Fiverr is an amazing, affiliate offer, but what other high-ticket affiliate offers are out there? Because the cool thing with affiliate marketing is they don't pay that much. Like you can link to them, you make a few dollars. Okay, that's great, it feels great. But there's some offers out there where you can link to them and you can make a few $100, $500 with one sale. Okay, and I actually made a video that goes over 9, really pretty interesting, cool, high-ticket affiliate offers that you can check out to kind of expand your what's out there. How do I make money with this affiliate marketing thing? To kind of get things going, the gears and stuff. Now I made a video about it, and if you want, you can check it out. I'll put the video to 9 high-ticket affiliate offers up here, as well as in the description. You can check it out, and you can see what's out there because some of them are really, really awesome. Okay. All right. Anyway, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and you have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day.